Hey everyone and welcome. Today, I'm going to compare two popular platforms for online selling, Big Cartel and Shopify. Let's get started. First up is Big Cartel. It's a straightforward platform designed primarily for artists and small business owners who want to sell their product online. It offers a user-friendly interface with a focus on simplicity, making it easy to set up your store without any technical know-how. Now let's talk about Shopify. It's a powerful e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of features, making it one of the best choices for dropshipping. With Shopify, you can easily set up a store, choose from a vast array of themes, and customize your site to fit your brand. So which is better? If you're an artist or small business owner looking for a simple, user-friendly platform to sell a limited number of products, Big Cartel is a great choice. However, if you're serious about dropshipping and need a robust platform with advanced features, Shopify is the better option.